The Eastern Rendezvous program is being hosted by the Department of Arts and Culture. The main purpose is to bring together people from all linguistic groups together from the Indian community on a common platform to showcase their culture, the traditions, the cuisine, the costume, and everything that makes them as an important community.
The Eastern Rendezvous obviously begins today and throughout Saturday. What can audiences expect?
The audiences are going to be exposed to a bumper-filled program. Starting today, we have a comedy festival featuring Jayaloshni Naidu, Mervyn Pillai and Henry Ramkishan, where the community will be exposed to stand-up comedy and so on. But the bulk of the programming will be the Saturday, whereby we, starting at 10 in the morning with an exhibition whereby all the linguistic groups will be given stalls whereby they will showcase their culture, language, etc., and they will be providing cuisine for the community at large from the different linguistic groups. And then throughout the day, we have cultural entertainment, a cultural hour, a Qawwali hour, an open stage whereby people with talents in dance and music will be given a stage where they can perform, and it's like the Idols concept where people will be rewarded with cash awards and the department will mentor them and take them to another level. However, it moves on to the East meets West segment where, it gets a bit more lighter.
Now, we know that there's going to be the best of Eastern fashion as well as the best of Eastern cuisine showcased at this event. Tell us about this.
We have a fashion show that is coordinated whereby all the costume, facial, makeup and everything prevalent of the Indian community in terms of the women and men, saris, Punjabis and so on, they will be showcased by top models and so on, and that will be done. And the cuisine, 5 different linguistic groups will provide 5 different cuisines for the public, so people could taste any type of cuisine throughout the day after lunch. And then the highlight of the program is the Eastern Extravaganza, which is in the evening starting from 6, whereby we have bands that have been coordinated by Tanzani Paul, Ashley Kiston from Lakshmi Stars, and we have dancers from the Rajiv Moti Dance Academy and a whole variety of activities. So it's going to be a bumper-full program, and we would like the communities to come out large and support this initiative where the department is promoting social cohesion and nation building.
And finally, Dr. Govender, what sort of numbers are expected for this event?
We are expecting large numbers because we marketed this event via the communities, the cultural organizations, and we are also providing buses for Chepstow, from Stanger, from Tonga, Verulam, Phoenix, Chatsworth, and Richards Bay. So we are expecting good numbers. So people must come and share the spirit and nature of being part of a very, very traditional cultural community.